Hey folks, on to 6.1. Number 2, 8a squared b cubed, comma, 10ab squared. All those extra videos I posted down below from Khan Academy and Organic Tutor are great. Be sure to watch those. I'm just going to go through and quickly do a bunch of even problems. Find the greatest common factor. Okay, so I see number stuff, A stuff, B stuff. Let's focus on each one individually. 8 and 10. What's the biggest number I can factor out of each? Looks like just a 2. Okay. A squared and A, what can I take out of each? An A. B cubed and B squared, what can I take out of each? A B squared. Okay. Let's try one more just for fun. 28x squared y to the 4th and 42x to the 4th y to the 4th. I see a 28 and a 42. Let's see. I think a 7 comes out of each. And they're both even, so that means 14. 14, I can take 14 out of each. So if I take a 14 out, that would leave me with a... Oh, wait. I can take a 14 out of each of them? 14 goes into 42. Where's my calculator? Calculator. 42 divided by 14 is 3. Okay, so I take a 14 out of each. So the biggest number I could take out of each, I basically recognize that I can pull out a 7 and a 2 from each of them, so that's a 14. X squared, x fourth, pull out the x squared. Y fourth, pull out the y to the 4th. Okie dokie. Let's see, greatest common factor. Okay, so moving on to number 10. Number 10. Let's see. Okay, number 10. 14p plus 35. There's a p, there's no p, number stuff. So all I can do is pull out number stuff. I see a 14, a 35. What can I take out of each? A 7. And then what would that leave me with? How would I get back at that? So 7 times what gives me 14p? 2p, right? 7 times 2p is 14p. And 7 times what gives me 35? The 5. So I factored out a 7 from each term. Okay. Let's try number 14. 4y squared plus 8y minus 4. Number stuff. Y stuff, no y stuff. So it looks like the only thing I could take out would be some number stuff. So pull out 4, 8, and a 4, so pull out a 4. That leaves us with a y squared plus of 2y minus 1. You can quickly double check. 4 times y squared is 4y squared. 4 times 2y is 8y. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. Boom. Okay, so this is all pretty straightforward. Let's try 32. 32. Let's see. 32. Negative 6a cubed b minus 12a squared b squared plus 18ab squared. Let's see if I wrote it down correctly. Negative 6a cubed b minus 12a squared b squared plus 18ab squared. Okay, number stuff. 6, 12, 18. So 6 goes into all of them. And since the first guy is a negative 6, usually we want what's left in the parentheses to not have a negative. So what if I pull out a negative 6 from all of them? So I can pull out a negative 6 from everybody. Now let's just look at the a stuff. A cubed, a squared, and just an a. So that means I can take out an a from everybody. B squared, b squared. So I can pull out a b from everybody. Okay, so if I do that, what does it leave me with? So that leaves me with, okay, so I need to get back at that. So what did I need the negative 6 is there. I need an a squared. The b is already there, so that's good. Minus, nope, plus, because negative times positive 2 would give me negative 12. A squared, so I need an a b. See how I'm just playing the game backwards? So this would need a negative. Negative times negative is positive. And then the a is there, and the b, I need a b. So if you just double check, negative 6ab times a squared is negative 6a cubed b. Okay, negative 6ab times this would be negative 12 a squared b squared. Yep, negative 6 18 ab squared. Yep. So just quickly double check after you factor, and we're good to go. 38. Factor by grouping. So usually it's the first two and then the next two. Let's see, we have CD plus 6C plus 4D plus 24. So focus just on the first two, CD plus 6C. What can I take out from each? Just a C. Okay, so I'm just focusing on the first two, guys. Pull out a C, and what does that leave us with? A D, because I need to get back to that. So C times D is CD, and then C times 6. CD plus 6C. Okay, now let's just focus on the next two. A 4D and a plus 24. What can I pull out? Just a 4. And what does that leave us with? A D plus a 6. We're not done yet. You see how I got a D plus 6 here and a D plus 6 here? This is the tricky part. So far so good? D plus 6 here, D plus 6 here. So doesn't that mean we can pull out a D plus 6 from each of them? And what does that leave us with? A C and a positive 4. C plus 4. What? Okay. Little tricky there. Let's try another one. That was 38. Let's try 40. So now that you saw what's going to happen when we do number 40, you'll see that I'm kind of expecting things to work out nicely like that. So we have 6y squared plus 7y plus 24y plus 28. I'm going to focus on the first two, 6y squared plus 7y. The only thing I can take out is a y, leaving me with a 6y plus 7. Double check, 6y squared, 7y, good. Now focus on the next two, 24y plus 28. Okay, so 24, 28, I can pull out a 4. Yeah, pull out a 4. And that's going to leave me with a 6y plus 7. Oh, just like I was suspecting, things are going to work out nicely. I see a 6y plus 7. I see a 6y plus 7. So let's yank it out. 6y plus 7. And what does that leave us with? A y plus 4. Put it in parentheses. Aha. Okay. Okay, so that was 6-1. That wasn't bad. Maybe I'll stop right there and then we'll start 16.